So, good morning, guys, and today I'm starting. Finally, I can start my special project for the steering wheel. So, previously I bought this fake Alcantara cover from Taobao, and it almost actually it did damage some parts of my steering, my original M Sport steering leather, especially on this side. I'm not sure whether you can see it, but there's a mark. It left some mark there after I remove it. So I thought it's not a good solution at all. So now I have done a lot of survey, and I managed to find a real Italy Alcantara steering cover manufacturer, also from China. It's made in Shanghai, and I ordered from Taobao. And this is the cute little box for the steering cover. They do provide sewing service, installation service in China, but too bad I'm not in China, so I have to DIY it. So I have to either do it myself or go look for an installer. So this is it, the steering cover. So it should be like something like this, and this is the center marking here. So based on my research on the internet, how do you tell whether it's a real Alcantara or fake Alcantara? So real Alcantara is that you see this Alcantara surface here, smooth, and inside it should be the same material as well. And according to information that I got from internet, those fake one, you will only see the top part, which is the sweat leather material, but underneath it's PVC material. And this shop that I purchased from, it says is the Italy Alcantara authorized dealer. So other than that, other than the steering cover, they also provide me with the tape, the strings, cutter, and the tool to push the leather material inside the edge. So now I'm going to the car interior workshop, and I'm gonna talk to the installer and see whether they can install it for me, of course, for a fee. And I'll keep you guys updated later. I don't really mind to pay for the installations because it really saved me a lot of time and hassle. This is it, car zone interior. So this is the workshop. It's called Car Zone Interior. Quite a huge workshop, and they are now fitting the steering cover for me. It's happening. the BMW M Sport tricolor stitching. Very nice. I am very happy with this cover. So, ladies and gentlemen, finally I managed to get this Alcantara cover steering, which is very comfortable and very nice. Love the feeling. It is very thin. You don't feel like the steering gets a bit thicker, and it's very comfortable. Love it. Love it very much. But the installation fee is not cheap though. It's 300 ringgit just for installation, and plus the Alcantara wheel cover which I ordered from China. Total cost it's about 700 ringgit, but it's still yeah, it's slightly cheaper than what you can have it from some local accessory shops. But this workshop that I went to, Car Zone Interior, he told me that he can made it in 600 ringgit, so it's okay. I mean, this is my first time doing this, so I love the outcome very much. Feels very good, and most importantly, it's Italy Alcantara. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. I will leave the details of the workshop in the description box if you're interested. They specialize in all sort of car interior refurbish. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Drive safe and ride safe. Bye.